AI isn't coming. It's already here. And the people who learn how to use it now, they're going to be miles ahead in 5 years. That's why I'm starting now, even before I feel 100% ready. Because waiting, that's the biggest risk. Hey, I'm Felix, and I'm building a brand and income streams using AI from scratch. No team, no big budget, just curiosity, tools, and action. In this video, I want to share why I'm starting now instead of waiting, and why I believe this moment matters, especially for people like you and me. This isn't about replacing people, it's about doing more with less. I can brainstorm, write, design, and even edit video content in a fraction of the time it used to take. That means more experiments, more output, and faster learning. It's like having an extra team member who never sleeps. Early adopters are still winning. Right now, AI-generated content still gets attention. Platforms are favoring it, SEO is wide open, and audiences are curious. In 2 to 3 years, everyone will be doing it, and standing out will be way harder. I want to build before that wave crests, not chase it after it's passed. I've spent years learning, researching, watching from the sidelines. Always waiting for the right time. More confidence. A perfect plan. But AI gave me a reason to act now. I realized you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be in motion. That's what this project is about. You don't have to be an expert or a tech genius. You just have to be curious and willing to try. AI won't build your future for you, but it'll build with you. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing this. If you're serious about building something real with AI, not just chasing trends, hit subscribe. I'm sharing every step, the wins, the lessons, the messy parts. And next, I'll show you the mindset shift that finally got me moving. I think it might unlock something for you too.